Good morning.
Hello, good morning, folks. My name is Christopher Creary, Master Heritage Tour Guide. Wow, being a tour guide is something else. I do a lot of research. Um, I tell you something. Some time ago, I was doing a research about the Tainos. Now, when I started the research, it was something else because it brought me into another thing where I was introduced to the red ware people, and these were the people that were before the Tainos. Actually, they were the ones who taught the Tainos how to use clay and make pots. But then there is not much information about the red ware people, and all we have today is the information about the Tainos, which is very, 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 very good. Now, from then on into slavery, yeah, the Spaniards came here in 1494, spent 15 years colonizing the place, and then the English came after. And when the English came in 1655, it took them 3 years before they were really in control of Jamaica, because the last battle for Jamaica between the Spaniards and the English was fought at Rio Nuevo in St. Mary, right? Now, the battle that was fought there is something else. You know, I need to say something. Spanish Town, Port Escoville. In 1509, there was a man by the name of Don Escoville. He was I'm not sure, the first Spanish governor for Jamaica, and the capital for Jamaica at the time would have been New Seville, as it is now called New Seville. That's just out Runaway Bay, right? And that capital, the capital for Jamaica, Seville, it was there for 23 years, right? And in 1534, thereabout, they moved into Spanish Town and built Spanish Town as the capital. Now, if we look at the history of capitals in Jamaica, most of the capitals that are for the parishes are there on the coastline. The inside parishes is like Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, yes, and which other capital is not on the seashore, right? All of the others are on the seashore, except for those, right? And halfway tree is the capital of St. Andrew. This is the fourth, right? So four parishes. From those four parishes, they're the ones, their capitals are inland. And so therefore, the rest of the parishes are right around Jamaica. 10 have capitals on the seashore. Funny enough that at one point, Jamaica had 22 parishes. There was a parish by the name of St. George, Melcalfe, and those parishes was between St. Mary and Portland. There was another parish by the name of St. John. St. John, St. David were part of the original first 7 parishes. Then there is a parish of St. Dorothy, and St. Dorothy is where the St. Dorothy Church is in Church Pen in Olaba, and there was a parish. And at that time, Chapelton was the capital of Clarendon, right?
Wow.
And if we look at it, Maypen now is an inland, as I said before, an inland capital. Jamaica is a beautiful country, and we have a lot of places in and around to visit. Trust me. Thank you.
How can we find you? How can we contact you?
Oh,
Do you do tours?
Yes, I do exclusive tours. My tours are not. My tours are intense. I do exclusive tours, and there's a lot of activity on my tours. Also, along with my friend, Authentic Island Experience, we give exclusive tours right around Jamaica, no matter where we plan tours. The next tour is the amazing turtle tour that we'll be having, and we'll be traveling from Kingston to Oracabessa, but we'll be traveling on the old road, and we'll be visiting sites, and we'll be talking about all those historical sites. As a matter of fact, we'll be telling you about the oldest police station in Jamaica.
Okay.
Now, I can be contacted at my number is 658-204-2310.
Okay.
And my email is christophercreary219 @yahoo.com.
Thank you.